This is the blood red dahlias with white glitter
I really like these.
and blue peonies. It's a big cake.
Okay, let's do this!
So it says right here, 12 shot blood red dahlias, white glitter, and blue peonies. Don't know what any of that is, but I know how to light fireworks.
It's flowers.
Yeah, well, does this look like a flower to you?
No, but they're both
Peter, does it look like a flower to you?
No.
No, guys, I don't think this is a flower. All right, we're out in our safe and supervised.
Where's your dad?
I don't know. He said we can light it. Eddie!
Go get him, Peter. Go get him.
Peter, go get him.
Eddie.
Go get him. Go get him.
There he is.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, ready?
Right here.
Go. Nice.
It is lit.
Get out of there.
Aim it up.
Oh, what? Bro.
There we go. Not bad. Okay. Inside.